Welcome to the world of wash. Wow SoftWash, your Pacific Northwest exterior cleaning heroes, where we provide the best deck cleaning solutions for your home and business. Are you tired of slipping and sliding on your deck? We know it's not fun and can be dangerous, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Our Deck SoftWash service is designed to address all your deck cleaning needs. We start by removing any larger debris from your deck. After clearing off the larger debris, we can apply our Deck SoftWash treatment, killing all the unwanted organic growth that makes your deck slippery and unappealing. It's important to rinse off any siding and vegetation with fresh water throughout the process. We take extra care when cleaning second-floor decks and balconies and are mindful of what is underneath the deck. We follow that with low-pressure rinsing that won't harm your deck's surface, unlike a pressure washer. And if needed, we can repeat this process until we achieve the desired results. Check out our before and after pictures to see the difference we can make. So join us in the world of wash and experience the wow factor for yourself. Don't wait any longer to make your deck safe and beautiful. Contact us today for an estimate, and let Wow SoftWash be your exterior cleaning heroes of the Pacific Northwest.